All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So if you're like me, you're driving a older car, something in the 2000 range, like my car, 2007 Honda Civic, and honestly, I got no entertainment center. I got no GPS, no screen, no navigation, and sometimes it's just very difficult once I get into these newer vehicles with all that Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all the fun, tacky stuff. Well, if you're one of those people, don't worry, I got a solution for you. Today's video is sponsored by CARPURIDE. They sent out a 9-inch screen right here that provides all these features. Goddamn Southwest Airlines. CARPURIDE sent us out their 9-inch touchscreen Apple CarPlay, Android Audio play box, pretty much. This is a portable system designed to go into vehicles that are older and do not have any kind of screen or navigation or Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Something like this is going to bring back new age technology into a older vehicle and enhance your life by giving you the amenities that modern technology brings. Now, before I unbox this and talk about all the details, there are many variations of this item on their website, which I'm gonna have included in links down below. This specifically is a 9-inch screen. Depending on your vehicle, they have a 7-inch screen as well, and they come with many options that you can add onto this device. So I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys a quick unboxing here with all the contents inside, and we'll talk about how this system works and my personal review of it. This specific model here runs for about $250 on their website. And again, this is a sponsored video. They sent me this out to review for free. All right, so out of the box, let's go over what is included. You got your beautiful big 9-inch screen right over here. Pretty slim in design. We're gonna go over all these functions and inputs and outputs it has here shortly. To mount this 9-inch screen onto your car, we have two mounts that are provided. A windshield mount that is adjustable here, and it actually comes with a glue adhesive, so it adheres pretty well. You also have another dashboard mount that comes with 3M double-sided tape, and another miscellaneous mount over here. It does come equipped with a power cord. This runs off your cigarette lighter over here, and we do have a aux cable as well, and I'll tell you the function and benefit of having this cable with this system shortly here. So let's go jump in the car and let's talk a little bit more about this system. Now, as far as these input devices, you got your power 12-volt DC going in. You have a USB connector here. You can actually charge your phone or any other application that you're using from this device. Now the aux cable goes in right here. You can connect it to the aux cable in your vehicle, so whatever sound is playing off of the device here will go into your vehicle speakers. You do have a camera input, so if you did get the premium trim here for this model, you can install a backup camera on the vehicle. You do have a memory card slot to play videos and pictures, and also a microphone if you want to talk hands-free. You can have a aftermarket microphone, and this is it. We're gonna just place it on the dashboard over here, and this thing is huge. I mean, just look at this thing. Massive. 9-inch. I'm not blind, but just take a look at that. That's a solid piece of display. And again, you guys can mount it on the windshield, somewhere on the dashboard. My dashboard is pretty flat here, so it can actually stay mounted by itself. And I've heard a lot of people actually what they're doing is getting a CD player mount, and you can actually mount it somewhere right over here, which looks pretty nice, and it's pretty portable for the most part, lightweight. And I think this would be an awesome fit right over here. But anyway, let's turn it on and go through some of the features this provides. All right, and the first thing I can say is that the screen is bright and it is very clear. All right, so jumping onto the main screen, I'm just gonna run through some functions. You got your home function on the top left. This device does have an internal audio speaker, which you can adjust the volume of that speaker, whether it's telling you GPS locations, or if you're playing a video or a song from your phone, it will play on the internal device speaker in the back. We have the time right here. We have Bluetooth. You can connect it to a device of your choice. We also, let's go back on the main menu here. We also have screen brightness. Depending on the driving conditions, you can adjust it yourself. This little icon actually changes the background display. You have a few preset display options. I like to go personally with the darkest option because I feel like it brings out the icons the best. You do have a help button that you can contact CARPURIDE if you have any questions or problems. I do feel like this help button could have been integrated into the settings just to clean up the dashboard. But let's talk a little bit about the options here, starting from iPlay. Now you can do, if you have an iPhone, iPlay is where you will connect your phone. If you have an Android, Auto is where you will connect your phone. I have an iPhone, so right now we're going to connect via Bluetooth. My Apple CarPlay right here, you can see we have our navigation. Where did we go? We have our navigation pulled up. So it's utilizing your Apple Maps, or you can use Google Maps as well here. Pretty nice. It's nice to have a big screen on the dashboard if you're driving and you need good locations. I'm a terrible driver. I need GPS all the time, and this is gonna make it visible and I don't have to stare down on my phone all the time. And again, you got your other options here. Spotify, you can hit Spotify from your phone and play Spotify. For example, we're gonna do that right now. All right, so let's play something right here. And it actually doesn't sound too bad from that internal speaker. However, obviously you're obviously gonna want to play that through the car's audio, and this is where the aux cord comes into play. You can connect it to the device itself and into your aux cable, and then the whole sound that you're playing on Spotify will go through your car's speakers, which is obviously what you want to do. You can check your text messages here. You see who texted us, and it's voice activated. Hey, how are you doing?
What do you want to say?
Hey, how are you doing?
Your message to Rafal R1 says, are you doing?
Well,
ready to send it?
Close enough.
Okay, it's sent.
All right, so you got a lot of options over here that you can play around with Apple CarPlay. Again, directions, Spotify. It's up, and there you go. He's texting me back right now. So the same options would apply to an Android device. If you have an Android, you can link wirelessly in here and then use all the features that an Android would provide. You have AirPlay. Now AirPlay, you can connect your phone and actually watch whatever you're watching on your phone on this screen right now. I'm going to try to show you guys that right now.
Android Auto built in, and it's very easy to install it.
So this would normally play. Some devices actually don't allow you to view the screen. I'm trying to stream this off of Google. Google has a copyright, but only audio is playing right now. But other devices and other platforms, you can play directly onto the screen and monitor over here. Let's talk about screen mirroring for a second. As you can see, I'm mirroring everything on my phone directly onto the screen. So that video that I just couldn't watch on YouTube, with the screen mirroring, I'm playing it directly on the device here. So if you're watching any YouTube videos, anything like that, or again, if you have a USB device with some videos that you want to play, you can definitely do that, no problem. Or if you just want to check out that turbo, see, I'm just screen mirroring it right now, and you can see everything that I see. And it's very reactive, as you can see. Like, there's not much delay whatsoever, so that's a big plus. So the auto link is actually the screen mirroring for Android and iPhones. So that's what I just displayed right now. You can turn off the display if you don't want to use it, just so it doesn't blind you while you're driving. Going into the Bluetooth options, you can obviously discover your phone, and you can check multiple things here, from music to contacts and history, once you set everything up here. The USB drive, obviously, like I told you, if you're not using the USB to charge a device, you can plug in a memory card and get some information, videos off of that. Same thing as well as the card. You can also have a radio station here that you can turn off and on, and actually saves your own favorite stations. So you can also link that through the 3.5mm device and play it on your internal car speakers. And going into the settings, you have your last bit of information that you might need. You can use the device speakers, or again, if you're on aux, you can use the speakers of your vehicle. Here we have the information that's linked. Our iPhone is linked. You can link your Android as well. Wi-Fi connectivity for some of the features that you're able to use on the applications here. Now, if you do buy the one with the rear view camera, you also can have a parking sensor, and it'll give you some options that you can use the camera for as far as parking is concerned, and obviously the lines and distance, which again, ours didn't come with that, but that's okay. You can always buy it as an additional piece. And that is the CARPURIDE 9-inch screen summed up for you guys. All right, well, that's gonna conclude the unboxing and quick review of the CARPURIDE 9-inch digital display here. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it. Nice display. I love the auto link, which is the screen mirroring. For you Honda guys, if you have turbocharged Honda or anything like that, and you're using Honda as the app, you can actually display that Honda app using the mirroring on this. So as you're driving, you see all your engine temperatures, boost pressures, and whatnot on here, which is pretty cool. And again, it comes in handy, especially on long road trips for me, where I can just play the GPS and see it directly in front of the vehicle. So if you guys are interested in something like this, go check out the link in the description. Thank you, CARPURIDE, for providing this us for review. And if you guys are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true.